Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash app won't let you place an online order. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to place a DoorDash order, and for some reason, it's not actually working. So I recently went through this, and I'm going to be going over some common solutions and some obvious solutions to help you solve this problem. So first things first, I recently ran into this problem because I was at an Airbnb. And the reason why my DoorDash app was not letting me place an order was simply because I didn't have good enough signal. So do make sure that you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, just because a weak connection is one of the most common problems why orders don't fall through. Now, the second thing that you can do is that you can force close and restart the app. So I'm on my iPhone, and the way that I do that is that if I hold down the bottom portion of my screen and swipe up, this is what it's going to look like. And then if I swipe the DoorDash window up again, that's going to go ahead and force close and restart the app. So try reopening it again, and then this could reset any temporary bugs or any loading issues. Now, the next thing that you can do is that if you're on an Android, you can try going to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, and Clear Cache, and that clears out all data that might be causing issues. Another thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and delete and reinstall the app. So any outdated versions of DoorDash can break features. So just check the App Store and check for any updates in the DoorDash app. Now, another thing that I looked up online is that sometimes you won't be able to place an order if the restaurant is closed or unavailable. So sometimes the issue basically isn't within the app itself, it's with the restaurant. And so do be aware of closing times of restaurants, because let's say a restaurant closes at 9 p.m. and you're trying to place an order. Well, it's simply because the restaurant's closed. So there you have it, guys. Those are the solutions that kind of work for me when it comes to trying to figure out why DoorDash won't let me place an order. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.